On that note, let's move to our next Stock 360, and the one in focus is Lupin. Big moves today, almost 4% higher. Ekta is joining in. Ekta, new drug launch, a conjunctivitis drug. Is that the reason behind the excitement?
Well, I'll take you through the news first, and that's partially the reason for the excitement. Vigamox generic is what they've received approval for some time ago, and it's already settled, and they are going to launch it. Now, basically, this is going to be launched from the Indore facility. Just to give you a brief about the Indore facility, Unit 1 and Unit 2 were inspected recently by the US FDA, and they had received 5 and 6 observations respectively. Now, though they haven't received an approval, or the approval had already come for this drug before that, the reason why the street is probably optimistic is that the observations are then not serious enough for them or the US FDA to stop the launch of this particular drug. And hence, that is the inference coming in, that maybe the observations would not be serious enough for the Indore facility. And there is a common observation with the Goa plant, and hence the street is inferring that maybe that too would probably see the green signal. Now, coming to the drug, Vigamox is basically an ophthalmic solution which is used for conjunctivitis. It's around a $270 million drug. It's expected to be limited competition, and Lupin can probably earn up to around $30 million from this particular drug. But remember that there are the larger picture for Lupin is that there is a competition in the US which exists. 75% of their portfolio is actually exposed to the generic competition in the US, and hence that could be a risk for them going forward. Plus, we'd have to see what happens exactly with the Goa plant, whether they get an approval or not. Remember, it's also trading at around 21 times FI 18 PE. Compare this to a historical average of over 25 times.
Okay, Ekta, thanks a lot for that. Lupin